Buenos días a todos mis amigos. ¿Qué tal tu vida? Estoy muy bien. So, how's your Christmas? How's your New Year? Hope all good, right? Hope you all enjoy a lot. I did. I enjoy a lot with my families, with my friends, in house, obviously. So, first of all, a very, very, very happy New Year from my channel, Canal Español, and from me and from my family. Anyway, so today I'm going to share with you some common Spanish phrases, and this video is for beginners, so you can learn so many vocabulary, so many new words from this video. So keep watching and watch till end, okay? And so let's start. And also before going to start, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget hit the bell icon. Fine, so let's start. Okay, so let's start. Please listen the pronunciation carefully. Hello. Hola. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? I'm fine. Estoy bien. And you? ¿Y tú? I'm a little tired. Estoy un poco cansado. Do you speak Spanish? ¿Hablas español? Yes, I speak Spanish. Sí, hablo español. Do you speak English? ¿Hablas inglés? Yes, a little. Sí, un poco. What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? My name is Priya. Mi nombre es Priya. And you? ¿Y tú? I'm Alex. Soy Alex. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? I'm from India. Soy de India. And you? ¿Y tú? I'm from New York. Soy de Nueva York. How's your family? ¿Cómo está tu familia? Very good. Muy bien. How many siblings do you have? ¿Cuántos hermanos y hermanas tienes? I have two sisters. Tengo dos hermanas. What are you doing? ¿Qué estás haciendo? Nothing. Nada. Are you free? ¿Estás libre? Yes, I'm free. Sí, estoy libre. What do you want to do? ¿Qué quieres hacer? I'm hungry. Tengo hambre. Or maybe you can say I'm thirsty. Tengo sed. Do you want to eat? ¿Quieres comer? Let's go eat. Vamos a comer. I have a reservation. Tengo una reservación. Please sit down. Por favor, siéntate. Do you want something to eat? ¿Quieres algo de comer? Or maybe you can say, do you want something to drink? ¿Quieres algo de beber? What's there to eat? ¿Qué hay para comer? I would like a pizza, please. Quisiera una pizza, por favor. Do you like it? ¿Te gusta? I like it. Me gusta. It's delicious. Es delicioso. Do you want some? ¿Quieres un poco? Yes, please. Sí, por favor. Or maybe you can say no thanks. No, gracias. Thanks for the food. Gracias por la comida. You're very kind. Eres muy amable. How much is that? ¿Cuánto cuesta eso? It's cheap. Es barato. Or maybe you can say It's expensive. Es caro. How's your day? ¿Cómo estuvo tu día? My day was good. Mi día estuvo bien. Or maybe you can say, my day was bad. Mi día estuvo mal. What are you thinking about? ¿Qué estás pensando? I have homework. Tengo tarea. It's easy. Es fácil. Or maybe you can say, it's difficult. Es difícil. What do you study? ¿Qué estudias? I study Spanish. Estudio español. What do you like to do in your free time? ¿Qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre? I like to watch movies. Me gusta ver películas. I like to travel. Me gusta viajar. What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? It's 1:20. Es la 1:20. I need to go to the airport. Necesito ir al aeropuerto. What's your phone number? ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? Call me, llámame, or maybe you can say, I will call you. Te llamaré. See you later. Hasta luego. Goodbye. Adios. Take care. Cuídate. So, that's it for all today. I hope you like the video. So please watch till end and you can learn so many things from this video. Okay? So hope you like the video and I hope you can learn so many things, so many vocabularies and so many new words from this video. And thanks for watching this video. And if you have any questions, any doubt, just comment me below so that I can get back to you. Fine? So hasta pronto, el próximo video. Till then, take care, bye, and buenas noches, and love you always. Bye.